So this is the try it problem that comes with example number 1 in lesson 2-4. Maria made 2 batches of fruit punch. The table at the right shows how many quarts of juice she used for each batch. Write an equation that relates the proportional quantities. So what they want us to do in this problem is they want us to use the table where they're showing us that 5 quarts of apple juice and 8 quarts of grape juice are mixed together. The ratio is to be written with the y being the grape juice over top of the x, which is the apple juice. So what I would do here is I would put my 8 over my 5. Now, that's all fine and good. And what we want to be able to do there is we want to be able to compare that ratio. So what we can do to help simplify is we can actually divide this and turn it into a decimal. So 8 divided by 5. If I just divide these, 8 divided by 5 is 1.6. So that's my first quantity. Now, the second one, let's check it because we want to see if this is actually proportional. We are going to use, again, grape juice over apple juice. So 16. So see if I can write a smaller 16 over 10. Now, I know that these can both be divided. This is actually going to be 8 over 5. So I know it's the same fraction. So if I divide them, it's 1.6 again. Now they're asking me, what is the constant of proportionality? The constant of proportionality is that number when I divide. So this is going to be 1.6. So the equation that would represent this, remember that this is going to equal k. And this format here is y equals kx. So we're going to substitute in for the k 1.6. Now, some of you might remember from the first example, they showed us this. They showed us that if we use this format of y equals kx and we substitute the values. So remember, we're trying to find the k value, but if I know I have an x and I know that I have a y, I can plug these in. So k, and this is going to be a 5 for the x, equals an 8 for the y, because that's what they showed me. And if we're solving this as an equation to get the k by itself, I'm just dividing by 5 on both sides. This is where that comes from. So k, once again, still equals 1.6. So it doesn't matter which way we want to solve this, we're still going to get that same answer. Again, this is example number 1 from lesson 2-4.